How to remove the spending limit on Azure free trial. Microsoft Azure offers a free trial with a spending limit, typically capped at $200 for the first 30 days. Once this limit is reached, your resources are deactivated unless you remove the limit. Here's how to remove the spending limit and transition to a pay-as-you-go account. Overview. Removing the spending limit requires upgrading your Azure subscription to a pay-as-you-go plan. This process involves adding a valid payment method. Step 1. Log in to the Azure portal. Go to portal.azure.com. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials associated with your Azure subscription. Step 2. Access the subscriptions page. In the Azure portal, search for subscriptions in the search bar. Select subscriptions from the search results. Step 3. Select your free trial subscription. On the subscriptions page, locate your free trial subscription. Click on it to open the subscription details. Step 4. Upgrade to pay-as-you-go. In the subscription details, you'll see an option to upgrade. Click Upgrade to begin the transition process. Step 5. Add a payment method. You'll be prompted to add a valid credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter your payment details and confirm. Step 6. Confirm the upgrade. Review the details of the pay-as-you-go plan. Click Confirm to complete the upgrade process. Step 7. Resume or create resources. Once the spending limit is removed, your previously deactivated resources will resume operation. You can now create additional resources without being limited by the trial spending cap. By following these steps, you can seamlessly remove the spending limit on your Azure free trial and continue using Azure services under a pay-as-you-go plan.